Welcome, here I've got iPhone 12 Pro Max and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. Let's start by tapping on the settings button to open them, and here we are. Now let's slide down and pick the camera. Here we have access to the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the composition. At the first place we have the grid option, so these are the grid lines we can add to our camera by using this button. We can turn it on and another tap to turn it off. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's move to the camera to see the grid lines, so let's tap on the camera button now. And as you can see, here we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them. So these lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the settings and use this button to turn them off. So for now, when we go back to the camera, we can see that the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.